Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever thought about cooking shrimp with soda? Well, Sprite isn't just for drinking, it's a fantastic secret ingredient that can truly transform your seafood. Its lemon-lime notes and subtle sweetness infuse the shrimp beautifully, creating an incredibly tender and flavorful dish. It's a surprisingly simple technique, and the results are truly delicious, adding a unique twist to a classic. To get started, you'll need about 1 pound of raw shrimp, ideally peeled and deveined for ease. Make sure it's regular Sprite, as the sugar content is key to the flavor and caramelization. You'll also want some minced garlic, a pat of butter, and just a dash of salt and pepper to taste. These simple ingredients are all you'll need for this exciting culinary adventure. First, melt a knob of butter in a pan over medium heat, then quickly sauté your minced garlic until fragrant. Next, add your prepared shrimp to the pan and cook for just about 1 minute per side, watching until they turn a lovely pink. Now, the magic happens. Pour in the Sprite, letting it simmer gently. The sauce will reduce and thicken slightly, beautifully coating each tender shrimp. Once cooked, your Sprite shrimp will boast a unique, delicate sweetness, beautifully balanced with a bright, zesty citrus note. It's truly a burst of unexpected flavor. We highly recommend serving this dish immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice, letting it soak up all that incredible sauce. Alternatively, it's fantastic alongside a crisp green salad or with some warm, crusty bread to mop up every last drop. A crucial tip: shrimp cooks very quickly, so watch it closely and avoid overcooking, which can make it rubbery. For an extra pop of freshness, a small squeeze of fresh lime juice right before serving works wonders. And if you like a little heat, a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes adds a nice subtle kick. This easy and innovative dish is sure to impress, so go ahead and give it a try.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.